Avian influenza is a seasonal disease. Spread is lowest in September, begins to rise in October, and peaks in February. In the current seasonal wave, which started in October 2021, 54 countries have reported to the World Organization for Animal Health outbreaks of high pathogenicity avian influenza. These countries are mostly in Europe. Some of them are in Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Across the globe, avian influenza outbreaks have led to the culling of more than 21 million poultry and the deaths of 30,000 wild birds. Numerous birds have also been killed to prevent new outbreaks. The number of countries affected is higher compared to previous seasons, leading us to believe that this wave will be particularly impactful. In this context, the World Organization for Animal Health urges countries to intensify surveillance and control efforts.